took us around, hopefully, 7 to 8 hours. Unfortunately, this year is a dry season, so the oasis is not as green as you saw if you saw the videos.
It's very beautiful when you face any kind of challenges, and the most beautiful thing is to reach the desired goal of your challenge and reach the summit. And this is the fun of the challenges. This applies completely to our hiking trip in the hidden oasis in 23 January 2021, which we faced many challenges such as walking for long distance on stones, skipping large, huge, high rocks, and climbing to steep heights in order to reach the goal. This type of trip you need definitely an excellent company with a high spirit in order to play a great role and help you through their presence, not to lose hope and continue walking until you reach the goal, as it was with us on that day. Thanks to all.